Very good morning, guys. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs. Madam Ji is busy on her phone, and we have somebody very, very special as well.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
Yeah. So yes, what is special about today's video is a couple of things. Shraddha has done an amazing painting. She started it, almost about 75% complete.
Yeah, sort of.
So I'll show you that painting. It is huge, and also I finished my captain training, everything, all the checks, everything complete. So this video is mostly about that. I had actually traveled to Delhi for doing my last check, and I have just come back today. Here we go.
That's not phone, Agu.
So yes, so we'll show you the painting first. So this is one of the paintings which I wanted to show you. This is actually for Chaitanya. This is Chaitanya's dog.
No, I'm such a thing.
Yeah, Mansa and Chaitanya. This was Mansa's requirement. She wanted a painting of a dog. So this is actually done on a 12 into 16-inch frame. So this is one I wanted to show you. And the other painting, which is still in process of getting completed, is this. It is actually still work in progress. Paintings like this take a lot of time to be made because of the huge size of that canvas. And for you guys to understand the perspective of how big that is, I'll ask Edwin to stand beside it.
Okay.
Can you?
Yeah, I'll explain.
Yes.
So the detailing, ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే ఉందో కామెడీ పర్పస్ చెప్తున్నా. ది డీటెయిలింగ్ ఇయర్ అసలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు ఇంత నీట్ ఉంటుంది అది. అసలు అనుకోలేదు శ్రద్ధ దగ్గర ఇంత టాలెంట్ ఉందని. ఇక్కడ చేసి బాగా చేసావు కదా శ్రద్ధ నువ్వు. ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ ఇది అసలు ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు కానీ బట్ యా నువ్వు చెప్పడం బెటర్ అన్నా నేను చెప్పడం కన్నా.
This is actually done on a 4 feet in length, and the height of this canvas is 3 feet. I'll also put this in front of my TV. The TV in my room is a 50-inch TV. I'll put it on that.
All right. Yeah.
So if I put it this way, it is that big. And for your references, against a 50-inch TV, it dwarfs it. The TV is vanished. So that's how big this painting is. And this is actually the first time Shraddha has done a bike.
Yeah, this is the first time.
And she intends to do a lot more of them. And you know,
బైకర్స్కి పండుగ అనుకుంటారు
kada?
Yeah.
Definitely.
అంటే ఇంకా మళ్ళా మామూలు బిజినెస్ కాదనమాట నేను ఇంకా.
And you know, small thing, people buy who are buying this, they want to know about the maintenance of it, no?
It's very simple. All you have to do is, if it is dirty, just take a normal cloth and wipe it
Simple
off.
example, this is a painting which we have done. Nothing will happen to it. No matter how much you rub or whatever, nothing will come off
Don't
it.
scratch.
Yeah. If you use a sharp object, it will definitely damage the paint
Exactly.
because this is basically a cloth.
Cloth. Canvas.
So, अगर people have this question, अगर पानी गिरा तो क्या होता है?
कुछ नहीं होता है. But क्यों गिराना है तुमको?
So basically, अगर accidentally थोड़ा अगर पानी गिरा
तो कुछ नहीं होता. You can just wipe it off.
Yeah, you can just wipe it off. And we always recommend.
Just for a good life of a cloth, don't do that because कोई भी cloth समझो, it will get damaged. मतलब not now, in a later stage.
But if you just basically, if you want to clean it, it's simple. Yeah, use a dry cloth,
हाँ.
just wipe it off.
Wipe it off. कुछ
Nothing
नहीं होता.
more.
You can आराम से wipe once a month.
Yeah.
Like every house जब clean होता है, just wipe it off. जिससे dust bust.
And these paintings last hundreds
years.
of years. Hundreds.
If you don't scratch it, don't tear it.
Yeah. So these literally last a lifetime and more. So that is the reason why, you know, a little simple care is enough. And yes, coming back to the other topic. Yes, I was in Delhi. My flight checks, everything is complete. Why don't we jump to yesterday when I shot the small video on my phone? You can see that and you can come back. and then we'll wind up the vlog. It's छोटा सा vlog, I know, but I just wanted to give you guys an update and our happy moments.
Congratulations to Captain Rohit Bharadwaj. He successfully become a commander in Alliance Air. Very nice pilot.
बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई.
Oh my god, it is finally the wait, the patience game has ended. First stripes on the shoulder, a very, very proud moment for me. Has it sunk in yet? No, not at all. It was an amazing flight. So I'm actually in Delhi right now. I've come in today morning and I have done this flight. I couldn't do the checks in Hyderabad because of a lot of cancellations there. So had to travel to Delhi in the morning. I came via I landed in Delhi at 2 o'clock. My flight which I took off was at 6 o'clock. So I didn't want to come to the hotel and then go back. So I stayed at the airport itself, wasting time till 6. Took off at 6, went from Delhi to Dehradun, Delhi. That was my exam check which happened. Came back, Delhi, landed, came to the hotel and talking to you guys. I'm extremely hungry. I didn't even have lunch because, in fact, I actually ordered a wrap in the airport and it was so horrible. I couldn't eat it. So yes, I am in Hyatt, Delhi. So I've ordered food. I'll be full hungry. Time for a bath. Time for me to remove my dress. Time for me to get fresh. But oh boy, it was such a wonderful day. I'm heading back to Hyderabad in the morning tomorrow. So I'll have to go back home, edit this video as well, and then talk a lot more. But before I talk anything more, I would say bye for now. But I'll get fresh and then I'll eat something and speak to you guys again a little later. Bye, and thank you each and every one for all your amazing wishes. My dream has actually finally come true. This is one of the most important days of my life. I have just come back home. दोनों twinning कर रहे हैं basically. Oh yes, what an amazing, crazy day. And you have to, yesterday I stopped halfway about the 19th and the importance of it. Well, most of the important days on my life for some reason fell on the 19th randomly, just like coincidence. Like I was born on the 19th, Shraddha was born on the 19th, my marriage happened on the 19th. Only thing which was missing is Aggu. He was not born on 19th, but yes, continuing to that, my first flight on an ATR was on the 19th of September. Don't throw things like that. Now I got released as a first officer on the 19th. Now I got released as a captain also on the 19th. For some reason, numerologically, 19th has been a date of huge importance to me over many, many years. I don't know why, but 19th is crazy important day for me. And yes, again, today was another very, 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 very crazy day because I had an early morning flight to come to Hyderabad. I reached the airport and I realized at the airport that my company had actually booked ticket from Hyderabad to Delhi 2 times instead of the other way around, the return. So last moment I had to run around in the airport for something called as a deadhead seat. So that I had to take. Luckily I got the seat in the aircraft. I reached the aircraft and I only found out there were close to 35 pilots in the aircraft, all in uniform, all coming to Hyderabad for various reasons, belonging to various fleets of Air India. So it was lovely having so many pilots in the uniform. Honestly, the passengers went haywire. They didn't understand what was going on because imagine 30, 35, and this is not an exaggerated number. It is actually 30. It was in fact 32 pilots who were there in the aircraft traveling along with passengers. A total of 180 passengers, including us. Among that, 32 were pilots in uniform. So yes, all of us sat in the aircraft. Uske baad the aircraft pushed back, and there was a technical issue. So again, aircraft got pulled back into the bay. Engineering tried to resolve it. It couldn't be resolved. They had to change the aircraft. I was initially supposed to come back to Hyderabad at 10 a.m. I ended up landing close to 1:30 and it's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. Just reached home. Got myself a burrito from the airport, had it, and this burger and me are taking a couple of selfies. Little bundle of joy. And yes, although he doesn't understand any of this at this stage, I should again say thank you very much. I will catch you guys after I get a little nap, because I literally did not sleep for the entire day yesterday, and today as well I've been running around basically just to get back home. So again, if you guys want to order paintings like this, like that, whatever, you know, the link to Shraddha's Instagram page is below. Orders are going to be via DM. And yes, continuing where we left off. Yes, Srujan is not part of this video because he's gone to Chennai. He's gone for a wedding of from Sharanya's side. Basically, all of their family had gone to Chennai. So he'll be back tomorrow, probably to home. Yes, so next vlog will definitely be with him. And so this is where we're going to tell you good night. 3 of us are going to have a small party because
Party, Anna? Oh, yeah, congrats.
friends So that's what we're going to have, planning to have a movie night off today. And Shraddha will actually try and complete this painting today. So the finished product will be on her page. You can see it there. And yes, till the next time we see you. Love you guys. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.
Bye. Good night.